It's the end of another year, friends, where generative AI has dominated the conversation again. ChatGPT is only 2 years old, and 2024 saw some of its biggest features drop to date. But with AI being everything, everywhere, all at once, it's hard to keep track of it all. But fret not, friend. You've come to the right place. We're going to explore 7 incredibly useful features those OpenAI gods dropped in 2024 that you might have missed. So our first one is Search GPT. While it might not win any awards for the most innovative name of the year, OpenAI is firmly making its intentions known in the Google-dominated space of search. Is it going to dethrone the big old G anytime soon? Probably not. But it's pretty useful to search whatever today's traumatizing news is directly from your ChatGPT account. Our second one is shortcuts. I found this by mistake. I hit the / key one day and bam, this new menu appeared before me. It's a small but nice shortcut menu to access other features directly in any chat. I'm sure we'll see more added to this in the near future. Our third one is advanced voice mode. Now, the OpenAI team got everyone super excited with its upgraded voice demo back in the summer of 24. While I'm not so sure the final product is as impressive as those demos, it's a fine improvement over that drone-like baseline voice mode we had at the start of the year. Voice, of course, feels like the natural evolution of conversational AI tools. You can have a full conversation with ChatGPT on whenever you want. Just be prepared for odd looks if you're out in public having that conversation. 4 was the hotly requested desktop app, and that first came to Mac. It was only a matter of time before an official ChatGPT app hit the market. They made us wait like forever, and don't even get me started on that stupid waitlist, but Mac users can now open ChatGPT on their desktop and even give it access to view and collaborate with other apps too. Yes, Windows fanboys, I hear you cry, why Mac? Macs are way cooler, but don't you worry, because you will like our next feature. And of course, at number 5 is the Windows app. You may rejoice, Windows lovers, you have a version of the app too. You get all the bells and whistles as the Mac counterpart, just on a far less impressive OS. So number 6, we have memory. Now, for the longest time, one of the biggest criticisms of any large language model was that it doesn't remember any previous conversations. Well, that'll change for ChatGPT users when OpenAI dropped its new memory feature, which does exactly what it says on the tin. It remembers what you ask it to, and even some things you don't. Just switch this on in your settings menu under personalization, and you are good to go. This may not be available for our friends in the EU, but most countries should have access to this now. At number 7, we have Canvas. So here we are with our last, but most certainly not least impressive feature drop of 2024, called Canvas, or basically Google Docs inside ChatGPT. This is perfect for writers and coders who want a space that is basically promptless and replaces one-click options to edit your work. You can access version control in Canvas, undo edits, and stop endless regenerations, which can be annoying. This seems like a bit of a signal to a more promptless future in this nerd's eyes, but let's see how that turns out. Okay, fellow humans, that's your 7 incredibly useful ChatGPT features of 2024 that you don't want to miss. You can find guides and tutorials to use all of these features across my channel. And as all those fancy YouTubers say, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will talk to you in the next one. Ciao.